our video blog. We are here in Pangasinan. We're here in Pangasinan for the Pangasinan Digital. And I'm here with our fellow IT people and bloggers. Yes, Orly, supporter yan. And we have here Hans Kok will have a speech and presentation about SEO. So, ito yung mga audience sa Pangasinan Digital. Ayun si Bands Padilla, the organizer. Ayun Gail, the mayor of different kinds of places in Foursquare. Mayor yan. Ayan. Hello kayo, hello. So, let's go around and show yung mga students in here in Pangasinan.
San Carlos College. Wow, saan kayo kumain? Saan kayo kumain? Malapit sa beach. Okay, tapos Lyceum Northwestern. Ay, yung kinain nyo. Siomay? Lyceum! Nagkape. AMA!
Globe, one of the sponsors. There's a topic of si Hans.
AIE! Ha? Yun. AIE, saan mo ang AIE? Oh my gosh, we're all over the place. Okay, so start na natin ang afternoon session. Papakilala ko na sa inyo ang ating speaker. Siya ay si Hans Kok. Hans has 8-year experience as web and search engine usability expert. Participated in a BBC report for his work on click fraud, and his efforts for Who's Clicking Who was mentioned in Wired magazine. Bang level, no? Hans' experience includes web design, search engine optimization, and increasing ROI on pay-per-click campaigns. Prior to recreating the first click fraud detection software behind Who's Clicking Who, Hans founded a search marketing consultancy in San Jose, California, specializing in internet marketing. Hans manages Click11 marketing efforts and web ROI, and in his free time, reads avidly and loves being at the beach. Chika kay Hans. Gusto niyang parating ang mga beach ng Pangasinan, particularly ang Bolinao. Ayan. So palakpakan po natin, Hans A. Kok.
Hello, I'm Hans. I live in Cebu. I've been living in the Philippines since 2006. I used to live in Makati. The second time here in this region. I'm happy to be here. I work for a company called Web ROI. We have an office in Cebu and also an office in Los Angeles, California. We help technology startups in Silicon Valley. We help with their internet marketing. So we just set up an office in Cebu to help with that and to grow that company. I have a personal blog, a personal website at hansacook.com. And it's there. You can see a copy of this presentation. You can follow along if you have a laptop or if you go home and you want to look at one of the links that I provide or re-review the slides, you'll be able to find that there. How many people have a Facebook account? How many people have another website or personal website or blog? Yeah, some. How many people have websites for businesses that they have built or manage or run? Yeah? How many people have a relative or family member that owns a resort around here? Yeah? You got some? Don't be shy. Well, our last speaker talked a little bit about SEO and social media, and today I'm going to get into a little bit of details about search engine optimization. So what is SEO? SEO, acronym for search engine optimization.